Happy New Year from Avery, France. It is New Year's Day, and I am at La Spot Shopping Center, and it's pretty much shut down, unlike most shopping malls in the United States today. It's interesting how cultures mix things up so much, depending on where you are. The only thing that's open in this mall right now is the cinema and some of the surrounding restaurants and shops, which are mostly ethnic-based, which is pretty cool if you like eating a variety of foods from different cultures. But what I wanted to talk to you about today is how you can improve the AI aspects of your audio in your video production and instructional design. If you are one of those people who just wants to use text to voice, which usually sucks, I would recommend that you look at Clipchamp. I know that used to be just a nothing little video editing program that I used to work with on occasion when I was in a hurry. And I discovered through a contract that I had with a large corporation that's what they were using for their voiceover. And it was surprisingly good. Not all of the voices in there are good, but it is one of the best text-to-voice AI opportunities that you will have in video production. So check that out. When it comes to really getting good voiceover with the right kind of delivery that you want, you can spend more money on some of the other programs, or you can use Audacity to record your voiceover and then run that through Adobe Podcast. They have a free version and they also have a paid version. To me, because of the features that it has, the paid version is much better than the free version, but you can do what you need to do with the free version. And you can use that to clean up your audio voiceover files. And then you can take some of those files if you want to use voice clones and run those through Replay, which is an open source local app that you can install on your computer, and that can take care of your voice clones. You could create voice clones in there also, and that thing is totally free. It's awesome. So I would highly recommend that you look into that. I do that all the time because when it comes to the male voices, typically I can do a variety of male voices, but when it comes to women, I can't pull off female voices or kid voices. And sometimes I want a male voice that's just so different from mine that it's easier to just use a voice clone. So that's my favorite right now. Play HT was a favorite for a while there, but they shut it down for some reason. I don't know what happened there. That's the other thing. You got to have your backup platforms and programs when it comes to AI, because some of the best ones come and go, and there's no explanation as to why. That happened to me with Skyreels. I was really enjoying Skyreels and its ability to do script to storyboard and to build out from there. And they just took it away. LTX Studio had that plus a number of other really good features, and then they dummied it down and removed a bunch of their features. Nobody knows why. So what I use now for script to storyboard is OpenArt and a couple of other programs. But when it comes to lip sync, right now, my favorite is DZine, D-Z-I-N-E. And you can do your lip sync with that multi-character lip sync. But there are others, but I could just stay in OpenArt and do my lip syncing there, but DZine just seems to have the best for now. And that's the way you gotta look at all this stuff. So again, when it comes to the audio aspects of AI and video production and instructional design, you can do your narration for free in Adobe Podcast. If you want to do text to voice, go with Clipchamp. If you want voice cloning, you want to create voice clones or read the line yourself and then run it through a voice clone, you can use Replay. And for lip syncing, DZine. Those are my recommendations for today. And I wish you the best of luck. If you have questions, drop me a line. Let me know, okay? Until then, Happy New Year from Avery, France.